I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and this is a giant trunk club behind me. Seriously, look at the size of this thing. So anyway, I was going somewhere with Colin and I realized that I have like no cocktail dresses, like no going out clothes. I swear all of my stuff is at least 10 years old, if not older. And I really just need some new stuff. I mean, seriously, like I need it. My other clothes are falling apart. So anyway, I have a new stylist, by the way. I'm not sure what happened to my old one, but I have a new one. Okay, so let me just show you everything that I got. So first of all, she sent me some jewelry. This is a hinged sun and moon cuff from Madewell. And it's just, you know, like a cuff bracelet, and it's hinged. And it's really cute, actually. It's kind of small and delicate looking, but I really like cuffs. I feel like it like barely fits me though. Like I could definitely wear this either down there or maybe a little bit higher. Feels like it might be a little too tight up there, but maybe like right here I could wear it. That fits. Can you hear my children? Anyway, I thought this was really cute. And then these earrings, crystal horn earrings, I don't know how to say that. These are $25 and I think they're really, really cute. I'm actually just gonna try these on. I don't know how you're supposed to turn it. Anyway, really cute, right? Okay, on to the cocktail dresses. Okay, so this is a ribbed tank dress from the company Leith, and I've actually gotten some stuff from this company before and kept it because I really like it. And this is, you know, just kind of a, what do you call that? Like a T-length or something. And it's fitted, ribbed, snug, but it has a cute top and everything. I feel like this is one of those dresses that is really comfortable and I could absolutely wear this, dress it up, dress it down, as long as I wasn't feeling bloated that day. Like today I tried it on and I'm a little PMSy. I just ate lunch and I was like, oh, I feel so bloated in this dress right now. So I feel like it's one of those that I could get away with on days where I'm feeling fine, but not all the time. Anyway, I do really like it. I think it's really cute. And this is $59, which in the grand scheme of Trunk Club Nordstrom clothes isn't that bad. This is from Obey, which, I mean, come on, we all know this, right? They make clothes now? What? Anyway, this is the Dead Garden dress. I really liked it, actually. I thought it was really pretty. You know, I mean, I'm really finicky, is that the right word? About my florals, but I thought this was really pretty and I like the material, I like the way it hangs, except that this is clearly too small on me. The little rope thing that's supposed to go like under your bust goes right in, like they look like nipple tassels. I was like, oh, okay, well, So, you know, if my boobies were a little bit higher up on my chest, I could probably hang, but yeah, this is, it's just too small on me. It's like torso-wise, it's too small, and this is a size small. And I was looking at it, I was like, could I cut these off? And I might be able to get away with it. Maybe. I don't know if it's worth it, but I thought it was a pretty dress, but I thought that was kind of funny that it came with nipple tassels. Okay, this one is Gemma Halter Lace Sheath Dress by Bardot, and this one is $119. I loved this dress. I thought it was so cute. I love the lace detail on the top and with the bottom that's kind of, you know, just the lace. I love the halter cut right here. It's so tight on my hips. Like, you know, it fits everywhere, but on my hips, it's real, like just, it's too tight on me. It's too tight, which is so sad. But anyway, yeah, it just doesn't fit me. Okay, this is the Wanda Sleeveless Sheath Dress by Adeline Ray. This is $104. And this one is actually really cute. At first, I didn't think that I was going to like this neckline. I thought it was going to feel like it was strangling me, but it doesn't at all. It's actually quite comfortable. Again, the hip area is it's a little poochy right here, like, and it feels like it's too short on my torso. I guess I do kind of have a long torso, but I feel like it still looks okay, like I could get away with it, but I really thought it was super cute on. This feels like it would be a good, like you could wear this business or cocktail, you know what I mean, like that kind of a thing. Okay, this one, Asymmetric Hem Sheath Dress that from 19 Cooper, and this is $98. It was one of those ones that, you know, it looked like, okay, yeah, kind of plain boring, but it's really cute, and it's comfortable. comfortable and it's flattering with that asymmetrical panel. It kind of gives you a little breathing room. So if you have just eaten lunch or you're feeling a little bloaty, it kind of covers that area a little bit and still makes you look slim. And I thought it was a really flattering, very comfortable dress. I actually really, really like this one. And then the last one from Topshop, this is $90. And this one is just the most wonderful lightweight material. And can you see the pattern on it? It's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of cool. I kind of like it. This one, it's so funny because so many of these dresses were actually a little bit difficult to get on. Like if you live alone, you're gonna struggle. And it has like this kind of bow thing in the front, and then the straps are these like spaghetti straps that go through a loop here and then tie in the back. And it's, I don't know, I think it's really pretty. It's like a slip dress. You know, in fact, I think it might be actually called a slip dress because it fits like it's just sort of loosely hanging on your body and you just kind of feel sexy in it. Do you know what I mean? Like that kind of material that just like barely caresses your skin. I'm like having this weird sexual moment with this dress. That was awkward. Anyway, moving on to the shoes. So I did tell her that I needed some shoes and I particularly wanted some red heels. So she sent me 1 pair of black heels and then 3 pairs of red. These ones are from Nina and I love these. I think they are so beautiful. I love the little bow detail right here, and then it actually zips in the back so you don't have to like untie the bow or anything to get these on. And then it has like this mesh thing right here, and I just think they're so beautiful. I love the lines on them. They have a skinny heel, but it's nice and high, but they're not uncomfortable. There's like this padded area in here to give you just, you know, a little extra comfort. I love these. I'm absolutely in love with these shoes. I think they are so cute. And then these red ones from Steve Madden, I also totally love these. I love this strappiness going on, and again, a skinny heel, but totally comfortable and wearable. It goes around your ankle so they're not gonna fall off or anything. I love these. I think they are super, super cute. And then these ones from Vince Camuto, and I do love Vince Camuto shoes, but I don't like mules. And it's not necessarily a look thing, it's because my feet slide out of them. It's like, it's user error. It's one of those things, like I always think they're so cute on other people and then I try to wear them and I'm like sliding around like a, anyway, they're really cute. I know that I can't wear them. So, and then the final pair of shoes is from that same company, Leith, that I was talking about earlier. And I like the stretchy red, you know, crisscrossy thing like that. I'm all for. It's this heel. There should be a little fish swimming around in here. And it's not so much that it's clear that I don't like it, but that it's really fat, and I don't like big fat chunky heels, and I swear to you this heel probably weighs 5 pounds just on its own. And at first I put them on and I was like, oh, these are really comfortable with the stretchy, and then I tried walking in them and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm getting a workout dragging these shoes around. It's so heavy. I mean, you know, I would probably get used to it after a while and maybe it would help keep me level or something, but that is a solid heel, and I'm telling you, it weighs a lot. So anyway, that is my box. A lot of really great stuff. I'm really excited about this box. I think she did a good job. I love 2 pairs of the shoes. I love most of the dresses. I wish that one actually fit me, but that's on me, not on her. So anyway, I actually really loved this box. It's going to be hard for me to decide what to keep. So let me know, give me some feedback. What would you guys keep? So anyway, I will leave all of the information for Trunk Club in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!